Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself Jalinka Afonso, and आज का वीडियो is a vlog. तो it's my first vacation after lockdown. से बहुत लोग गोवा गए होंगे, पता होगा कि गोवा is known for its beaches, churches and what more. Has this question arised in your mind too? So guys, I went to सहकारी स्पाइस फार्म. तो मैं सारा चीज़ बताने वाली हूँ. तो लेट्स गो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो.
So good morning everybody. So this whole plantation is around 130 acres. Wow. But we are not going all around. Okay. It's a small demo organic and there are 4 brothers holding the property. Sahakari, what is written is the surname of the owner. So it's privately owned by 4 brothers. So now look here, you can see this beans here, no? This one. Red beans. Can you guess what it is?
Amla? No. No.
Coffee bean?
Coffee. Cherry?
Coffee.
That's a big piece of coffee.
Coffee is actually a boost, sir. They do not trim it.
Exactly, that's a big
Harvesting, they keep it as a boost. Over here, on the demo plot, they just let it go. Yeah, demo plot. So they keep it where the human people can reach to harvest it. So once it is ready, it turns sweet. So they hand pick it, dried, roasted and powdered. So there are 2 kinds of coffee. Arabica, Robusta. Arabica is the stronger one, which is in the Nescafe. And Robusta is the milder one. So this is Arabica, which is in the Nescafe. नहीं बस ये Ajinomoto don't come from tree.
That's all I know about Chinese.
Nobody. They also use for baking. They get Christmas cakes and all made from this spice. Vanilla is an orchid.
Yeah, that's a pot. That's
Yeah, black color.
I think
Cinnamon. मग सोनाने काय करू ना ते स्मेल मग
I think this goes a lot in Thai food. Thai curry.
Also in Chinese. Betel nuts. Don't know this which you have it in the pan. So if you eat it for a long time, it can lead to your mouth cancer or throat cancer. But little dry form of it, that's after lunch, after dinner, is good for digestion. But if you eat a fresh beetle, orange one beetle is equal to 30 milliliters of whiskey. It makes you high. Yeah, it's a legal drug in India. The age of the tree is calculated on the rings of this tree. You can see these rings, no? So it's 1, 2, 3 rings. 1 year. So in a year you get 3 rings. So number of rings divided by 3. You find the age of the tree. And for coconut, it is 4 rings, 1 year. So the life of the coconut tree is 80 to 85 years. But life of this tree is only 45 years. When they harvest the fruit, a climber who climbs don't come down. So he plucks the fruit, throw it down, bends the tree, go to the other tree. That's the reason they planted very close by. But not for the coconut. Coconut, you have to come up and down.
Yeah.
Where the
This
fruit is
one,
there.
yeah.
Where the fruit is. This is also, I think, Cocoa,
Chocolates.
chocolate, not cocoa.
Cocoa. Huh?
Oh,
Cocoa is not a commercial crop over here because of the climate. It's solely for the demo purpose we have grown. It's in Brazil, Ghana, South America. Okay, in the pods there will be many beans where they fermented, dried, roasted and powdered. That's how cocoa powder is made, which is very bitter, and then chocolates are made. This grass, you must be having it in India. The tea which was given, and they also extract oil from it
Yeah.
for acne, pimples, sleepless night, and they also use it in cosmetics also. If you read the cosmetics very carefully, and for Thai cuisine, the fresh one is this.
I know this one.
Which one?
This
That I'm
Haldi
not going
made
to answer.
patali.
This is healthy, no?
Haldi.
Yeah. So haldi is the rice food. You don't use the leaves. Antiseptic, anti-cancer, inflammatory, cold term. And on the leaves we make patayas. Only on 15th August and for the feast of 10. See very carefully, no? There are lemony fruits. So many, ma'am. There's so many. It's on this branch, you see, you cannot see on this branch. Looking like a
lemony fruit.
looking like lemon. Nobody know? Nutmeg. It was big, ma'am. This is just starting. So once it rips, it splits open. If you see, there is a center cut opening for the fruit. Can you see there is a line in the middle? So it opens over there and it drops down. So inside there are two spices, mace and nutmeg. Savitri, jaifal. Putri or jaifal, something like that. Mace is the flower, orange yellow, used in the kiss plant. Two spices. Only after drying it is separated and sold in the market individually. But the tree is one. So it is also used for making pepper spray, mace. And nutmeg in the food, but in a small amount. If you use too much, it makes you drowsy, sleepy. And it's a good medicine if you have gout. So you take nutmeg, make powder, add ginger and lemon. Make a paste and then apply. It's for external, not internal use.
Yeah.
You know what it is? हे सेम लागलं हे सेम तोडी आहे हे कमर्शियल क्रॉप नाही ते पण तोडी लागते हार्वेस्ट पण नाही spice it is, huh? Nobody knows.
What it's used for?
It's used for garam masala, a lot, biryanis.
Oh, biryani.
Today night,
We have to actually spread.
wait. Black cardamom.
Biryani gata hai mun called.
So it grows on the plant, okay, and green grows on the shoots. But this is grown mostly in Assam, Kurg, Munnar, that side. They have just grown it. They're not harvesting any crop from it because it's not so good. You know, Goyan to rahte hai nahi? Stay in Goa only, no? मुझे तीन इतनी सुपारी झाड़ नको
Paulo, tu kisati.
तुम राव नाही कर गोया तू
Bombay.
Nobody.
Bombay.
But you said you have a house.
Yeah, we
right?
have a house.
Nobody knows it.
But that is in the city, not in the.
Which your house in Goa? Still, sir. If it is in a city, you move inside the village sometime, no?
Makani potole.
Move जाता पण आम्ही होशार ना.
Basmati leaves, sir. Pandan leaves, not heard. Pandan also they call it.
Pandan leaves.
You know, everybody cannot afford basmati rice. So you take normal rice, put this leaves, boil it with the rice. It gives you the flavor of basmati rice. So I don't think so. Every hotel will give you basmati rice.
So they add these leaves.
The plant.
You can take if you want the roots. Sir. They are coming out. You can put where water is flowing. काळे किती गोंयकार जाय नको होय कोण आसतलो काळेली pepper. So it's a parasite clapping, huh? So first it is green, then it goes red. If you dry it in the sun, it goes black. But if you harvest the red and boil it in the water, it's white. You get white pepper in the market.
Yeah, white peppers.
So all are same.
Okay.
White is little bit expensive than
White
rest
is
of the pepper.
expensive, yeah.
It's very good for your eyesight. You can have it in milk.
White
Yes.
or
ma'am.
black?
White.
White.
Only white. And black is good for your stomach, for your wind, gas, acidity problem. So you have to take 3 peppercorn, crush it very nicely, boil it in a glass of water, reduce the water, make it half a glass, strain it and drink it in the morning. So when you have it on your empty stomach, the wind in the stomach starts working and you see the results in a few minutes. You rush to your loose and come up with the flying colors. Right now, no season. March, April, May, June. It looks like this. Can you see, na? Artificial one, huh? Right now, no season. Cashew cannot be preserved. Nuts can be preserved, but not the fruit. It gets rotten within 2 days. So the nut is outside the fruit, not inside. One fruit, one nut, which makes. But you cannot bite the nut, okay? It's very poisonous. It contains anacardic acid. That's why it's roasted and then you get the nut from inside. Fruit can be eaten like normal fruits. It's very sweet and juicy. So olden days they used to use their fit. They used to stem on it. Now everything is modernized. They use crushers. So after crushing, they ferment the juice for 5 days. Once fermented, it is distilled. So the first distill is urrak. It's around 10 to 11% alcohol. Then they take equal urrak, equal fermented juice. Mix it, heat it, you get feni. 35-40% alcohol. So a small amount like 30 ml is very good for your cold cough. But if you drink in glasses, it's no longer medicine. It's a rocket clear. But coming to Goa, you have to try it. Otherwise, trip to Goa and incomplete. Y'all have must be tried it. You have been here many times.
This I know. माझ्या घराचं. हा, सांग.
ना करा बॉम्बे I
But
grow
this
at home.
chili,
This is
this chili, no.
this is what
This
good
is
chili.
small one, no?
This is
Small.
piri piri.
Small one. हाँ, ये रखो.
वो रेड है देखना नीचे देख रेड बोली
So this chili cannot go more than 2 centimeters. It's 2,800 times spicy than the normal chili. 2,800. So if you eat one, you can start dancing without music. Piri piri chicken sauce, So lunchtime there are papad. Okay, try it. But if you want to taste a chili, you can pick one.
Give with the
You get ice cream chocolates. It comes from here. So vanilla is the second expensive spice after saffron. Native of Mexico. So in Madagascar they grow a lot. So there are bees there which does the pollination. Rest of the places it's manually done by fingers. Then you get vanilla pod which takes 9 months. So around 35,000, 40,000 pods gives you 1 liter 1 ml, which is the original extract. What we get is all artificial. But you get vanilla pods. We can slit it or scrape it off, or leave it inside the sugar. The sugar will absorb the flavor, and that sugar, whenever used in dishes, gives you the flavor of vanilla instead of artificial vanilla. So whatever we are eating, like ice cream, chocolates, cakes, cosmetics, medicine, Coca-Cola, it's all artificial.
that's all I think.
So guys, that was it for today's video, and I really do hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you did, then do hit the like button, share this video with your friends and families, and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you will get notified when I'm going to post my Goa vlog part 2